Here's how to upgrade your project to a newer Unreal version, including some of the common issues that can arise along the way. Ensure you have the Unreal version you want to upgrade to. Backup your current project. Verify the plugins in the new Unreal version versus the ones in your project. If ever you'll have errors in regards to missing plugins, clear up the ones missing from this file. It's completely valid to follow this guide to upgrade your project as well, but consider this tutorial as a standalone alternative to it. In your backup project, delete these 4 folders. Then go into your plugins folder, if you have one, and delete these 2 folders as well. Switch your Unreal Engine version. In case you don't see this, go to your EGS launcher and run this exe. Now, switching the version. If you encounter this, right-click your uProject file and remove the read-only. Now, actually switching. Wait for the pop-up to disappear. Then, in your source folder, open these 2 up, modify the default build settings, and save both. Now, back to your uProject file and generate VS project files. Lastly, open your project with your preferred IDE. Speeding up this process, as first boot takes a while. After everything is ready, run the project. And there you have it, your newly upgraded project. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.